Hi, I'm going to show you how I install the Button software on a Raspberry Pi. I start with a freshly flashed SD card with the latest Raspbian image. I use the desktop version of Raspbian because we need to use the display and have a GUI. I open a terminal. I start off by cloning the Git repo. And then I change directory into the freshly cloned files. And I run the install script. This is going to install a couple of packages, so you will need a network connection. You'll obviously need a network connection for the Git clone as well. Okay, so with all that run, we've installed a couple of packages that we need. We've set the software for the button to start on reboot, and we've also disabled some of the power saving features that would cause the screen to blank out whilst we're waiting for our challenges to appear. So all that's left to do now is do a reboot, and then we will boot into the Button software. So there we have it. It's the blue screen of the Button. In a certain time, at random, the button will go red, and if we press the button, we'll start to see challenges on the screen. You'll notice that the mouse pointer has disappeared. If I wiggle it, it comes back, but we're running unclutter to take the mouse pointer out, so it won't interfere with the gameplay.